Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through how to upload a folder to Google Drive from your PC. Uploading folders saves time when you want to move an entire project or photos into the cloud. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign into your Google account where you want the folder to live. For the smoothest experience, use Chrome or Edge on desktop. Next, locate the folder on your computer that you want to upload. Now, switch back to Google Drive. At the top left, click the blue New button and choose Folder Upload. A file picker will now open. Navigate to your folder, select it and click Upload. Alternatively, you can simply drag the folder from your File Explorer and then drop it into the Drive window. Drive will preserve the folder structure automatically. While the upload runs, watch the process indicator in the bottom right corner of Drive. Large folders will take longer, so keep an eye on the status until it reaches 100%. If your experience is slow, try uploading smaller subfolders or compress the folder into a zip file and upload that instead. Remember to extract it later if you need the original folder structure available in Drive. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.